Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss filter in Excel. Filter allows us to selectively block out data that we don't want to see. The data will be there in the sheet, but we cannot see the data that we have blocked or filter until we clear or remove filter. We can also sort data using filter. Let's try it out in Excel. This table contains purchase order data. It has columns like supplier, order number, item number, and so on. To apply filter in Excel, we don't have to select the entire data or columns. We just have to select a cell in the data. There are three different ways in which we can apply filter to Excel. We can just right click on the cell that we have selected and go to filter. Then we can choose any of these filter option based on our requirement. We can also go to home tab, then sort editing, then sort and filter and apply filter from here. We can also go to data tab, sort and filter and apply filter from here too. Let's apply filter now. Here you can see a small filter icon is applied to each and every column. By clicking on this filter icon, we'll get various options. We can also sort data using for filter. To know more about this sort option in Excel, you can refer to my previous video on sort. For text column, this sort option becomes A to Z, Z to A, and this filter is text filter. If you'll click on any numerical field, it will become smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and the filter option will become number filter. And for any date column, the sort will become sort oldest to newest, newest to oldest, and the filter will become date filter. Let's apply a filter based on supplier column. For that, click on this small filter icon. We can apply filter in various ways. We can go to this text filter and choose any of these options based on our requirement. We can also search text here. We can also deselect this checkbox from here. Let's try this text filter option. Go to text filter, then let's try this ends with. Let's filter the record based on supplier name whose name ends with INC or valve. Let's select here the ends with, then write valve. Then click OK. All the records are filtered based on the supplier name which ends with INC and valve. We can also apply multiple filter. Let's select this item description filter and let's select the O-ring and click OK. The records are filtered based on the input that we have provided. If we don't want filter, we can clear this filter by clicking in this clear. We can also apply filter based on color. Let's select this item cost column. I'm choosing this column because some of the cells are colored. Let's select this filter by color. Then let's filter the record based on yellow color. All the records are filtered based on yellow color now. To remove this filter, we can go to this data tab, then sort and filter, then filter. That's all for this video. Thank you.